Wow, so pretty. Yes. And then lift it up from the middle and drop it. Yep, just like that. Yes. Yes. So pretty. Love it. Period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this beautiful ladies knotless braids. And guys, please, before you start going at it in these comments, I just want you guys to know that this is not cultural appropriation or anything like that. I wanted to do her hair. She wanted to get her hair done. I'm a hair braider. I don't discriminate. I do anybody's hair who wants to get their hair done, okay? So now that I've cleared that up, I want to show you guys how I did these. Anybody with any hair texture can get knotless braids. You do not have to be black to get knotless braids. You can be any color, and this is proof right here. So you just want to start off by sectioning off the hair with a comb and some jam. And once you section it off, put some jam all over the roots. Not too much, very little, especially when they have soft straight hair like this. You want to put as little product as possible, but you want to use a little bit just so it can give you a good grip. So I plaited it one time, and then I took some hair and I inserted it in and I braided it. Guys, honestly, there's absolutely no difference in me braiding her hair and braiding an African American person's hair or somebody of black descent. So yeah, basically that's all I do. So I just want you guys to watch this, enjoy the video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Do you think that non-black people should get braids or not? Like, because I feel like this is such a huge topic that everybody talks about and argue about. I personally think that they should be able to get it as long as they're not doing what the Kardashians do when they go and change the name from what it actually is to something else. I think it was Kim Kardashian who got the big goddess braids going to the back, or the two French braids going to the back, and she called them boxer braids. Like, sis, that is not boxer braids. Put some respect on it. If you're gonna steal our culture, at least give it some respect and don't try to change it and reinvent it as though it is your culture or your invention. But yeah, guys, basically I just wanted to show you guys me doing this young lady's hair. Her hair came out to be so beautiful. Oh my god, I was absolutely in love. And this is my first time doing braids on a non-black person. I have done sewing before on a non-black person before, but this is my first time doing braids. And guys, it was so easy and I loved it. She was just such a great spirit. Okay guys, so this is my last braid. So after this braid, I'm going to go ahead and dip the hair in hot water. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know down below in the comments what you think and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video.